One of the most exciting reported updates for the highly anticipated Galaxy S26 Ultra is the switch to charging over wires that are 60W. A new leak, however, suggests that the truth may not be as game-changing as many fans had thought. Ice Universe, a reliable source, said in a new Weibo post shared by Android Authority that charging the Galaxy S26 Ultra for 30 minutes could bring the battery from dead to about 75 to 80% full. So, while that's not a disappointment, it's not much better than how the Galaxy S25 Ultra worked. The S25 Ultra reached 71% in 30 minutes when we charged it with a 45-watt Samsung charger. But Ice Universe adds a very important twist. He says that the numbers given by the government are usually too low. In a second reply, he said with confidence that real tests could fully charge the S26 Ultra's battery in 30 minutes. That would be a huge step forward, but it's not clear if this data comes from trying a real prototype or is just guesswork. What other things can we look forward to with the Galaxy S26 Ultra? Things are quiet from Samsung right now, but rumors are going around. The appearance looks like it will stay mostly the same, but there could be big changes inside, especially with the camera. According to leaks, the phone may have a powerful 200-megapixel zoom camera with 5x magnification, and maybe even the return of variable aperture technology, which will give mobile photographers more creative choices. Another strange change is that Samsung might take off the screen's digitizer layer to make room for a C8 magnetic ring. If this is true, it means that the S Pen might not work right out of the box, just like with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It is said that Samsung is working on a brand new S Pen that will work without a digitizer and be sold individually. Ice Universe has a great track record, so there's every reason to be interested. But of course, it's best to be cautiously hopeful until there's official word. When will it come out? Samsung hasn't announced an official date yet. But if history is any indication, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will likely make its big debut at a Galaxy Unpacked event in January. It will then be available to buy soon after. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.